Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular and budget-friendly wireless gaming mice out there, the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED Wireless Gaming Mouse. If you're a gamer looking for speed, precision, and long battery life without breaking the bank, this might just be the perfect choice for you. So let's jump right in. The G305 comes in a sleek, compact design that's both lightweight and durable. Weighing only about 99 grams, it feels super light in your hand, making it perfect for quick movements in fast-paced games. The matte black finish gives it a professional look, and with 6 programmable buttons, you get full customization for your gaming setup, whether that's assigning macros, shortcuts, or quick actions. Now, when it comes to performance, this mouse is equipped with Logitech's Hero 12K sensor, which delivers up to 12,000 DPI. That means pinpoint accuracy, zero lag, and smooth tracking no matter the game. Whether you're sniping in a first-person shooter or controlling units in a real-time strategy game, the G305 keeps up with every move. Of course, the star of the show is Logitech's LIGHTSPEED Wireless technology. You get the same responsiveness as a wired mouse but with the freedom of wireless. No input lag, no dropouts, just pure performance. And here's the kicker, the battery life is absolutely insane. The G305 runs up to 250 hours on a single battery. That's months of gaming without worrying about recharging or swapping batteries every few days. Another awesome feature is the onboard memory. You can save your DPI settings and button configurations directly onto the mouse, so wherever you go, tournaments, LAN parties, or even just switching PCs, your settings are right there with you. Plus, it's fully compatible with PC and Mac, so no matter what system you're on, the G305 has you covered. So, to wrap it up, the Logitech G305 LIGHTSPEED Wireless Gaming Mouse delivers lightweight design, ultra-precise tracking, insane battery life, and pro-level wireless performance, all at a budget-friendly price. If you're a gamer who wants reliability without spending big, this is easily one of the best mice out there right now. I've dropped the link to the Logitech G305 down in the description. Check it out on Amazon and see if it's the right fit for your setup. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what gaming mouse are you currently using?